this academic planner stuff for WTF today.
Yeah.
But I was starting to look at it yesterday, and my computer was not working. Acrobat was freezing when I was trying to open up the file, and so at the end of the day, I just turned everything off. And this morning I'm looking at an issue, but then I'm going to get back onto it.
Excellent. Okay, Rebecca, do you have anything? I know there's one that I put in that. Okay, let's talk about yours.
I've got two things that came in from, well, one production and then one from Ari. So for the Zazzle Greek sticker, it looks like maybe we set it up to include one per item on the order.
Yeah, probably.
And we need it to be just one per order. So
it's not adjusting the product, it's adjusting the code that we have to add.
That's what I...
But we're going to need to probably look at that, and maybe, because there's probably going to be some products where we do have to make it one per item. So I think we need to look at what the name of that modifier is and maybe make a new one. There's no modifier on it, so
put that.
Be code based. If it's just code based, just fix the code.
I'll put that in the current iteration. And maybe Mario, you could take a look at this when you finish what you're doing. This could be your next thing. That's probably somewhat urgent, I would imagine.
Yeah.
Probably not a drop everything and move to this, but just maybe your next thing. You could pick this up.
Sure.
You put Mario's name on it too.
Okay. Awesome. I have one other. So this is reported because they couldn't see the Wyro information.
This is what Yanni brought up yesterday, towards the end of the day.
Yesterday or today? I don't know. I saw the email this morning.
I think it came up probably right after you left yesterday. It was like at 10 to 5 or something. Anyways.
So, so it seems like the additional info product modifier is not being displayed on the work order. So before it was right here, additional information, use gold coil, and now it's gone. I don't know as of when.
Well, yeah, so the use gold coil is, and also the coil size is gone too. Both of those pieces. See how it's showing the spine, the coil 1/4. There are two things highlighted there, not just the
oh yeah,
initial information.
I see.
So yeah, it looks like the line collapsed there.
Yeah.
Now, she is showing two different batch types. This is Journey app, the other one's Golden Coil. So the additional information is probably because we don't have it on the Journey app product.
Let me see.
It's funny because the one she brought up yesterday was Lulu, not Journey app.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
and this is a Wyro P and a Wyro WOH Wyro hardcover. That's why the hardcover. What is WOP? What's that stand for?
I was going to ask the same question.
Perfect bound?
Oh,
Is that what it's saying? Wyro
probably.
perfect? That doesn't
Viral
make
Yes.
sense.
perfect band?
Is that not a oxymoron?
Yeah, it totally is.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, how could that even make sense?
I guess we need to make sure that's what it means. But
Yeah, because they're
Yeah, there's
Perfect
no
bound.
additional information here. and
that's
then-
like saying a soft hardcover. Oh, even that. Actually, you can have a hardcover and you actually stick in a perfect bound.
So I
Wyro
have an idea.
bound.
Okay, so it doesn't have currently the additional information, product modifier on this, and
Muted.
your
muted.
muted hardware.
Windows.
Oh, I hear you now. Yeah,
You were muted somehow.
Yeah, somewhere I was muted.
yeah.
Go to the photo book settings.
But there is no cover, so it's not going to show
Well-
this, right?
No, it's probably because it's a perfect bound book, so we don't show spine sizes on perfect bounds
Yes,
on the perfect
but
bound work orders.
if we were to add additional information
You
here
could
on
add
the
the
product
additional
mod.
information there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because they're used to seeing, or at least way before they would see this
See the
product
product name at least,
information.
yeah.
Mhm.
Wait, how is it Wiro and Perfect Bound?
It's not perfect bound. It's just it's a Wiro soft cover is what they call it. So I think
Oh.
that's why P ends up being the letter that they wanted used for that.
Yeah, I think they
Type of
should have used
product.
S because Perfect Bound doesn't mean soft.
No,
Cover.
but we call perfect bound. We use perfect bound for everything soft cover. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
where it
So I
gets
guess
tricky.
That's
it
true.
became the meaning of it of
Yes.
soft cover.
Do they
Okay.
need
Kinda weird.
this information? 3/16, whole 3/8 from bottom center? 'Cause that was what was up here.
Probably. I mean,
Do they
but
need
the more
the-
important thing is the spines. Go to photo book settings and what the Wiro, what the coil used.
Oh, 3/8 silver.
3/8 inch silver.
Yep.
No, I mean, no, yeah, no. So there does need to be a 3/16 inch hole,
Oh,
3/8 inch from the bottom center, but I would put 3/8 inch silver wire first. Now leave it the way you had it. Yeah, so have it 3/8 inch silver wire. Period. 3/16 inch hole, 3/8 inch from bottom center. And we're going to have other products that are like this that are missing that information that we need to add.
mhm.
Like the ones yesterday were Lulu Press, and so we can start by looking those up too.
So is there any code that needs to happen, or is this just something Rebecca
so-
has to?
Unless we need to add the spine in like the coil side. Go back to the screen. Scroll to the top of the ticket, or go back to the ticket that was sent in.
Oh, yeah. That over. This one?
So if they need, so the trick is that the one on the top is for a hardcover, which is we have the board on the left, and then we have spines.
Sorry.
Oh, go back.
One moment. Yeah, I'm like, where'd it go? I clicked on it and it just was like, oh,
And then we have
goodbye.
spines there. But I think I think we just disregard. I think we should put all the information up in additional information.
Yeah.
And I think yeah.
The product modifier.
The trick is if we end up having a soft cover Wiro with multiple spine sizes, then we will need to find a way to add that spine information to the Wiro soft cover. So maybe we should look at doing that. I guess she didn't include this. I'm wondering about the Wiro hardcover. She cut it off before, but I wonder if the rough cut is the second line right underneath it. So the box. So we might need to look into it because she does say that this box contained information regarding the wire. I mean, now it looks like it's a collapsed box. So maybe we need to look
Yeah.
and see why that's collapsed now, because that should. We probably need to look at that before we do the additional information. Because the additional information you put in, Rebecca, that's the stuff about the hole and the where it is. That probably should be there. The 3/8 or 5/8 inch silver, that I'm not sure on until we can figure out why that.
This is what.
Yeah. Okay. So now pull up the other one. Pull up the full version of the other one. So 3/1
I had it.
5. Did you open
This
it in
one?
Acrobat already? Oh yeah, there you go. Let's look at that one.
It was cover. No, it was guts.
Yeah, work order guts. Yep. Yeah. Okay. So there you
So,
go.
yeah.
That's okay. There is very much a collapsed box there. We need to figure out why. So there might be code related here, but we need to dig into that and figure out why it's collapsed and what are we missing.
Okay, so it is a bug that needs to be diagnosed. And then obviously if you pick whoever picks this up, if you just see what it is, fix it. But
Yeah.
we just need to diagnose what it is, but. Does everybody understand what's going on with this? The people who might look at it?
Makes sense, Mario.
Sort of. What I understand is for some particular book, we are not showing some information in that
Yeah.
line. Maybe it's collapsed for some reason, for some logic.
Yep.
Mhm.
That
Well,
And so
we
what
do
is,
that.
it's the additional information that's missing, or?
No, it's the
just
spine.
spine?
That's that
Spine.
coil. It's the wiro spines that's not showing
Information.
up there.
Okay. Yeah, I understand now.
This one is, I don't know, maybe.
This is important.
This
This
is-
needs,
yeah,
we need to
exact-
look at this right away. This is
Yeah,
important.
this, and so I was gonna say, I don't know, maybe even Chuck, before you get started on that other one, maybe you could take a look at it. If Mario is buried and finishing up his stuff, but this probably needs to be looked at pretty soon,
Okay.
today.
I've started on this Printify shipping API thing, but I mean, if I need to,
Well, let's just make this the next priority. So Mario, before that other one, this one's probably more important. So whoever gets to that point, pick this one up next, and then the
Sure.
Zazzle one after this.
I can take a look.
Okay. All right, I want to go over that next one, but we're out of time today, so we'll talk about that tomorrow. Okay.
Sounds good.
All right, thanks everybody.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
See ya.
Bye.
Yes.
see ya.
Bye.